if the screen recorder isn't working in Descript, yeah, that can completely stop your recording workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your system permissions. Screen recording and microphone access must be enabled for Descript. Next, close and reopen Descript. Yeah, sometimes a quick restart fixes recording issues instantly. Make sure your microphone and camera are working. If they're not detected, recording may fail. Now, check for updates. Using the latest version of Descript can fix recording bugs. Close other apps that use screen recording, like Zoom or OBS, because they can block access. If it still doesn't work, reinstall the app or log out and back in. Yeah, this helps fix deeper issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most screen recording issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.